After 19 years, Tata Group company is launching their IPO. Tata Technology Limited, TTL. This IPO is launched on 22nd November 2023 and it will open up to 24th November 2023. It means that you have 3 days in your hand. Today is the first day, the day I'm making this video. I just want to narrate some important information about this company. We all know about the TTL, Tata Technology Limited. We all know about their services and about their sector of work. But still, if you just want to apply for this IPO, there are some important points you need to consider and you need to know before applying this, because little bit research is needed definitely. Okay, so Tata Technology Limited has already been incorporated in the year 1994. And it is the leading global engineering service company. Okay, they offer the product development and digital solution, and their deep domain service area is the automotive industry as well as the aerospace and transportation and heavy construction machinery. And this is an IT sector company, and their main function is definitely, as we all know, that provide the IT solution for the automotive industries as well as the aerospace transportation industries. Who are the competitors of this company? As we all know that the Infosys, KPIT Technology, as well as Persistent Limited, they all the competitors. But because the company's name which I am discussing right now, they have already been listed in the market, and TTL is listing now through this IPO. So it will be a tough competition. Okay. So the major TTL's business, okay, is 25% in India and 23% their major business is coming from North America as well as Europe. Before listing, it has already have a great portion in their market. They have already given their footsteps in the market. Okay. So that's because it has been discussing that this IPO is definitely going to be oversubscribed, and so it is a very major IPO, and I think that that is the main reason for making the video. Okay, so I want to narrate few important information about this company. The company which I have already discussed their area of domain, but I want to narrate some important informations about the details of the IPO. Okay, the IPO launching date, which has been already discussed by me, that is 22nd November 2023, and it will open up to 24th November 2023. It means that you have 3 days in your hand to go for this IPO. The face value of the share is ₹2 per share, and the price band is ₹500 per share. Lot size, one lot, you have been allotted 30 shares, and minimum you have to apply for one lot, and maximum you can apply for 13 lots. That is for the retail investors. Okay. So minimum one lot, you will get 30 shares, and the total amount will be 15,000 at the rate of 500. And the maximum which can you apply in the retail sector, that is 13 lot, it means that 390 shares, and the cost will be 1,95,000 as per at the rate of 500 rupees per share. Okay. This IPO has been launched through offer for sale. This is not the fresh issue. What is the difference between the offer for sale and the fresh issue? Offer for sale means the IPO money which will be gathered, that will be going to their existing shareholder. And we all know that the existing shareholder of TTL, Tata Technology Limited, is Tata Motors Limited. It means that Tata Motors Limited is selling their stakes through this IPO and offering this to the general public. Okay, so the amount will be collected through this IPO, that will be entirely go to the Tata Motors Limited, that will be not used by the TTL Limited itself. But in case of the fresh issue, when an IPO is launched through the fresh issue, at that time the money that has been received through the IPO launching, that money will be used by the company itself. As because Tata Motors Limited is the existing shareholder of TTL, therefore there is a benefit which the stakeholders or the shareholders of the Tata Motors Limited will get. The benefit is that if you have the Tata Motors Limited share in your Demat account till the date of 13th November 2023, it means that not after. If you'll buy shares of Tata Motors after 13th November 2023, then you will not get the benefit. Okay. Then you will definitely get a benefit in this IPO. That is, there are 35% has been reserved for those kind of shareholders who had already have Tata Motors Limited or Tata DVR Limited share in their Demat. Okay, they will get the benefit. There is a chance of getting the IPO is little bit over for general rather than the general category. Okay, and there is one separate benefit is that, one additional benefit is that you can apply if you are already stakeholder or the shareholder of Tata Motors Limited or Tata DVR Limited share, then you can apply 2 times. You can apply, this is option. You can apply 2 times in this IPO, one in the shareholder category and one in the general category. Okay. But as we all know that as per the prediction in the market that the IPO has already been oversubscribed, that then mostly there is a very little chance that you will get more than one lot if you are applying in the retail. So, but still there is a benefit of the stakeholders of the Tata Motors Limited. This IPO is to be listed in both NSE as well as BSE. And the allotment will be declared on 30th November 2023. It means that you will get the information whether you are getting this IPO if you have applied for this IPO on 30th November. Okay. If you are lucky, then definitely you will get it. Okay. Hope for the best. And the refund will be done on 1st December. It means that amount which has been blocked for the next 8 days. If you are applying today, then that amount will be blocked from your account till 30th November. If you will get the IPO, then the amount will be deducted. It means the amount will be debited from your account. And if you are not getting the IPO, then the amount will be refunded on 1st December again in your account. Okay. The shares will be credited in the Demat account on December 4, 2023. And the IPO, and after that, the IPO will be closed and the final listing of the share will be done on December 5th. In NSE as well as BSE both. Now we will discuss what is the promoters holding of this company. Tata Motors Limited is the major stakeholder of this company, as we all discussed. Before IPO, Tata Motors Limited has stake of 66.79% in this company, but after launching the IPO, this stake will be reduced up to 55.39%. Now we will discuss some major financial indicators and financial informations about TTL. Okay. As per, I am just going to give you the data of the 3 major years, that is 2023, 2022 and 2021 after as per 31st March, not today's. Okay. So the total asset as on the date of 31st March 2023 is 5201 crore. Okay. In 2022 their asset will be 4,200 and 2021 their asset was 3,500. It means that the asset has been increased over the years. And the revenue has already been increased. As per 31st March 2023, TTL's revenue is 4,500 crore, which has been increased by 500 crores from the last year. Okay, the profit after tax has already been increased. That is 624 crores, which was 437 in 2022. It means it has also been increased. And the reserve has also been increased by the company. As on the date of 31st March 2023, their reserve is 2,600, which was previously 2,028 only. And the major other financial indicators of this company, that the PE ratio is 32%, and the market capitalization as on the date is 20,283 crore, and the EPS is 50.37. The financial indicators are quite well and very, very impressive, and I think that is the main reason that we are all looking for this IPO and we just want to grab the opportunity. If we are lucky, then definitely we will get it. And the object of this IPO is just benefit of listing. Whenever a company is listed in the market, their credibility also increased, their market reputation increased and everything. Okay. So that is the main reason of listing this IPO on the market. And now it has been clearly mentioned that the GMP grey market premium is approximately 60%. It means that the 300 rupees benefit you will surely get on this IPO. Not surely, this is not final, but maybe you will get. Okay. So this is all for today and hope you will get this IPO